Number 1. 1978 Chevrolet C20, price $6,000, with 151,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered 350 engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission. It features a blue exterior with a black interior, enhanced by a Holley 600 carburetor and hooker headers for better performance. In the past 3 years, several upgrades have been made, including a 2-inch drop with new springs and shocks, a Flowmaster exhaust, a tonneau cover, a new seat cover, carpet, dashboard, bezel, door panels, chrome bumpers, headlights, taillights, a power steering pump with hoses, and new brakes, rotors, and drums. A cab firewall pad has also been installed. While well maintained and upgraded, the truck has a few issues, including a potential head gasket seal failure, a minor oil leak, no functioning AC or heat, and some small rust spots. Despite these, it remains a solid and stylish classic with significant improvements, making it a great option for enthusiasts. Number 2. 1974 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000, with 61,000 miles, an automatic transmission. It is powered by a rebuilt 350 engine and TH350 transmission, with upgrades including a Holley 600 CFM carburetor, Edelbrock intake, and Hedman long tube headers. Several essential components have been replaced, such as the gas tank, fuel pump, water pump, master cylinder, radiator, distributor, and plug wires. The brakes work well, the tires have good tread, and all lights function except for a couple of top marker lights. Structurally, the truck is solid, with minimal surface rust, no dents, dings, or bondo, and a sturdy frame. The floor pans will eventually need replacement, and the front driver's side freeze plug has a slight leak when hot. New weather stripping is also needed. However, the heat works properly, and the windows roll up and down smoothly. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet K1500, price $5,000, having traveled 132,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior and interior are both finished in blue, giving it a classic and well-maintained look. This truck is equipped with a 305 engine paired with an Edelbrock high-performance intake, a 700R transmission, and a new process transfer case. It remains straight and rust-free, and despite having been parked for a while, it runs well. Originally a project truck owned by an older gentleman, it was never fully completed. However, several new parts have been installed, including new spark plugs, wires, a distributor, a rotor cap and button, an alternator, and a serpentine belt. The throttle body has been rebuilt with new gaskets and injectors. Previously lacking in exhaust from the catalytic converter, a section of exhaust pipe was added, along with a brand new single-inlet, dual-outlet Flowmaster 40 series muffler. Number 4. 1977 Ford F250, price $8,000. Featuring an automatic transmission and a striking blue exterior. It is powered by a strong 460 engine, ensuring reliable performance. About 2 years ago, a new Holley 650 double-pumper carburetor was installed to enhance fuel delivery, along with a new fuel pump to keep the system running efficiently. The radiator has been thoroughly flushed, and a new radiator cooler has been added to improve cooling performance. To enhance drivability, the truck has been converted to power steering using a Benchworks conversion kit, making handling much smoother. It is equipped with a durable Dana 60 rear axle featuring a limited slip differential and 4.10 gears, providing excellent traction and power distribution. Up front, a Dana 44 axle adds to its off-road and heavy-duty capabilities. Number 5. 1970 Ford F100, price $8,000, all-original truck with only 50,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior is blue and has been meticulously preserved, always kept covered, and remains in flawless, original condition with no blemishes. The truck runs, drives, and stops as it should, with everything functioning properly. Recently, the battery, fuel pump, and ignition solenoid were replaced, and it started right up without any issues. It has been driven around the neighborhood smoothly. The old fuel was completely flushed, and fresh gas was added. While the brakes could likely use some attention, the truck is in overall daily driver condition. The only notable flaw is a cracked windshield. This F100 comes with a clean Colorado title in hand, making it a rare find for enthusiasts looking for a classic truck in its original state. Number 6. 1990 Chevrolet Silverado, price $7,800. This is a beautiful classic long bed truck with just 88,800 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a rich burgundy color, perfectly matching the pristine burgundy interior. Always kept in a garage, the Silverado remains in excellent condition with no rust. The exterior is spotless, with no dents and well-preserved paint. It has been upgraded with a brand new tonneau cover and a new drop-in bed liner, ensuring both style and functionality. Last summer, it received a fresh set of new tires. The interior is equally impressive, with a flawless dashboard free of cracks, and seats and a headliner that look as good as new. Powered by a smooth-running 4.3L V6 engine, this two-wheel drive Silverado offers a refined ride, making it a standout at any car show. Number 7. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has 165,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a burgundy exterior with a red interior. It runs on gasoline and features a mostly stock 350 small block with long tube headers, high-flow catalytic converters, and an upgraded intake. Recent maintenance includes new head gaskets and a starter. It runs great as a daily driver, though the paint has some chipping and fading, and the rocker panels and cab corners started deteriorating this winter. The patched frame remains solid. It sits on rare vintage American racing wheels with brand new mud tires. Upgrades include new headlights, LED bulbs, a grille, taillights, a tonneau cover, a cowl hood, and a visor. Well maintained, it also comes with a front-end rebuild kit. Number 8. 1979 Ford F100, price $7,500. It has 54,000 miles on the odometer and features a manual transmission. It has a green exterior and a matching green interior, running on gasoline. Originally equipped with a 351M engine and a C6 automatic transmission, the truck underwent an engine swap due to the original 351M being seized. A 302 engine, paired with a T18 4-speed manual transmission, was installed using all factory Ford components. The truck starts easily, runs, and drives great. The braking system has been updated with new hydraulic components, and a new clutch and flywheel have been installed. The heating system is fully functional. The frame is in excellent condition, with no rust at all. Additionally, the rear end has been rebuilt with 3.70 gears, further enhancing the truck's reliability and performance. Number 9. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has 79,600 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior are finished in gray, giving it a sleek and uniform look. This truck was originally purchased by a local mechanic, who, several years ago, installed a new GM Goodwrench 5.7L 350 engine, ensuring strong and reliable performance. Recently, the alternator and rear differential were professionally replaced, with documentation available to verify the work. The truck also comes equipped with custom rims, and the tires still have plenty of tread left, making it a solid and dependable vehicle. Number 10. 1991 GMC Sierra, price $7,999. This is an all-original show truck from the USA, featuring a clean title with no trades accepted. It has been driven for 152,000 miles and remains in excellent condition with zero issues. Powered by a strong-running V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this truck delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience. The exterior is finished in sleek black, complemented by a gray interior. It runs on gasoline and is completely rust-free. Additionally, it comes equipped with a sound system, enhancing the driving experience.